Good morning, dear children. This is your assistant teacher. Now take out your SSC textbook and open page number 29. Dear children, as you know that yesterday we have studied about the life in the city and then new crafts in the city. And now today let's start in search of raw materials. So, what is the raw materials? Raw materials are substance that either found naturally like wood, ores of metals, etc. It is used to produce finished good like cotton produced by farmers, the raw material used to process to make a cloth. So many items such as copper, tin, gold, silver brought from distant places, and Harappan got copper from Rajasthan. I am talking about the present city, okay, not the ancient city. The copper from the Rajasthan and even from Oman also, and tin was brought from the Afghanistan and Iran, gold from Karnataka, and precious stones from the Gujarat and Iran and Afghanistan. So in this type, from the distance places, the Harappan got the different things. Now we are goods carried from one place to another. Look at the illustration. One show a toy and the other is a seal. Okay, here is the seal and here is the toy. So can you suggest what the mode of transport used by the Harappan were? Did you come across illustration of a wheeled vehicle in earlier lesson? Okay, so that means they have also come to know about the wheels. Okay, the food for people in this city. Now this is the very much important part. What kind of food they had eaten. Okay, so for food people grew crops. It is obvious that for food the people grew crops, and beside growing crops they also reared the animals. Okay, so farmers provide this food to the craft person, scribes and rulers in the city. Okay, they just directly provide this to the rulers or scribes, and that then rulers provide it to the people. Just like in present day you can see the farmers directly come to us and they sold their vegetables, or you can say the farmers sold their vegetables to the another man, we can say the customer also, they are also the kind of customer, and they sell us. Okay, in ancient time also the farmers grow their crops and they just provided it to the craft persons, scribe and rulers in this city. A new tool like plow used to used to dig the soil and planting seeds. Toy The toy models have been found at this region that does not receive the heavy rainfall. Okay, some kind of toy models they have found where the rainfall scale is very less. That means water was stored and supplied to field when plant were growing. Okay, that means the place they were found having a less rainfall. So what did they just do? They just store their water for the further use for their crops. So the Harappan rear cattle's water and the pasture were available there while summer season. Animal were taken to the greater distance in search of grass and water. So due to lack of water, they just use animals were probably taken to greater distances in search of grass and water. They also collected the fruits like bear, and they caught fish and hunted wild animals like the antelope. Okay, so this type of food people get for in these cities. Okay, so you can see in this picture a toy plow today in many farming communities only men use the plow. So we do not know whether the Harappan followed such custom or not. That means you can see the only men use plow. So we actually do not know whether the Harappan followed such custom or not, but this kind of plow found there. Okay, this is the plow found there. Okay, the archaeologist found this plow by the after the digging that sites. So dear children, this is it for today's video. So what we have studied today we studied the search of raw material, the food for people in the city, various kind of discovery, that is the toy plow. Okay, this is the toy plow which had used by the ancient people. And also while the scarcity of water, if they have faced a problem of drought, what did they just do? They just taken the animals to the greater distance in search of grass and water, and they, while searching, they collected fruits also, they hunted, and they also gathered the fish. So this is it for today's video. In tomorrow's video we will look a closer look, that is Harappan town in Gujarat. So for today it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.